been like 3 months since I had a haircut. I'm actually starting to get like little dreadlocks forming back here. Just to show you how long the hair is. Yeah, it's time. Go with that number 3 guard. Keep it real dark. Now we got the 1.5. I gotta be careful right here. I got one side that's a little lighter. We're gonna go with the guard open. Okay, now we're gonna go with the guard closed actually. I just judged that basing off of how much hair it's cutting. You're doing a self cut to make your job easier. Use your clipper to put the zero line in instead of the trimmer, and it's gonna make your life easier when you don't have to remove a bald line. So as you can see, this bald line is made with the trimmer. Now we're gonna open the lever and we're going to go up about 1 inch, and that'll be our second guideline. All right, the hard part is over. Now we got the 1 guard and we got the lever open, and we're gonna connect the dots from the 0 to the 2. Oh, okay. Starting to see some progress in the fade. cool kid's been doing the eyebrow trick, so let's try it. Already. Boy, them eyebrows are thick as hell. Bushy eyebrows. Now we're gonna fix the unibrow and all this extra. A little too dark. Fuck. Alright, we're gonna leave that how it is. I'm gonna attempt to give myself a goatee that rounds out like this. Usually I would do the moon part right here, but I'm gonna let that connect and we're gonna make a round. Let's see how this goes. Alright, we're gonna attempt to cover this light side up with this. See, that's our strong side. Dang, I thought this was my strong side. Oh, there we go. Okay. Hey, we back. Kinda. Yeah, we still gonna have to, yeah, we're gonna cover that up. Compressor, $70 on Amazon, something like that. And we mix this with Kiss Express and also a aftershave. I'm gonna spray the very top of the fade now to give it that sharp contrast. Do the sides look the same? One side looks different. This side looks like it's lower right there. Maybe I should take this down. Blend that some, or line it up a little sharper. And then don't worry about the beard. I'm going to wash this so it'll be a lot lighter. It won't look so defined and sharp and like it was painted on. It'll look more natural and just filled in. I'm gonna get bold and try out the mustache or the goatee. Do I like that? This is new. Oh my goodness. I gotta brush this out. Leave a comment below. You guys think I'm overdoing it or not? What happened? Bro. Alright, yeah, I don't know about that, guys. I might have to wash all of this off.
How you get this? Your camera crazy. What is this?
4K, bro. You gotta go to your settings on your iPhone. And go to general, go to camera settings, and then click 4K. How would you rate this on a scale of 1 to 10? 1 being booty, 10 being like flawless.
Shit. Right now, at this stage,
Yeah.
like if you were to stop cutting your hair,
Right.
shit, like a 6.5.
6.5. Wow, we got some work to do.
He has a Durant wingspan, alright? And not everybody can do this at home, alright?
A Durant wingspan? from homeless to taking your girl. Let's go. Watch out. Watch out. Man, it's been a couple months. I'm feeling myself right now. I need a photo shoot, video shoot, something, man. Let me know how I did. Scale of 1 to 10, give me a rating, you know? This is an outside. You see where I'm at. I'm in my landlord's like outside hallway, backyard with the ring light. So, you know, we made it happen. Took advantage of the mirrors that she got, and I no longer feel homeless. I'm like stepping into a new character. I'm not in the barbershop anymore. I graduated the leadership program I was in, and now I get to rock this fresh look, and you can't fire me. Because I'm not the CEO. You know, I fired myself from the Rich Barber. That chapter of my life is over, but it's all love, and I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Leave a comment, show me some feedback, what you guys want to see next. I'm out.